Disabled and prepping. Today I got the replacement tape that from the one that they forgot. They sent me 2 silk surgical tapes. I believe that's what it's called. Um, yeah, silk surgical tape, 1 inch by 10 yards. Oops. So this is not the kind of tape I was looking for, but they gave me 2 of them when I only was missing 1. So I guess it's okay. Um, yeah, I just don't know how well this stuff sticks compared to the other stuff. But yeah, that was the replacement for the one that they forgot. They must have ran out or whatever because I got the replacement of the silk one instead of the tear anywhere kind. So, all right, I just want to let you know that I got the replacement for the one that I didn't get on my first aid prep up. I think it was 12 or whatever. Anyways, have a great day. God bless you all to overflowing, and that may He keep each and every one of you and your friends and your family safe. Bye for now.